Dear student, today we discuss PPSC Labor Officer, Labor Inspector, Junior Patrol Officer and Assistant Command पेपर हेल्ड ऑन 25/8/2024 को हुआ था। इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। Who was the Viceroy of India to execute the partition of Bengal in 1905? Lord Curzon. Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points in reply of Nehru report. Queen Victoria assumed Empress of India in 1877. Islamia College Peshawar was built in 1913. Which pious caliph ordered to collect ahadith? Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Pakistan Heart of Asia is written by Liaquat Ali Khan. When was a valiant hit near army base camp and 140 soldiers of Pakistan Army were martyred? 7 April 2012. Female soldier of Pakistan Army received an award to serve in Daesh in February 2020. Congo. After passing through prism, light disperses into 7 colors. Which is the first prophetic written constitution? Misaq Medina. Age of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam 950. Headquarters of UN United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes in Vienna. Which companion of the Holy Prophet peace be upon him was to subscribe the revelation? Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. CPAC was signed in April 2015. Largest city population in the world? Tokyo. Third highest mountain in the world? Kanchenjunga. Defense Day is celebrated on 6 September. Which of the following is not an operating system? Oracle. Antonym of enormous? Tiny. Synonyms of impact? Pass on, convey. Muhammad Ali was famous in boxing. Facebook diplomacy coined in 2008. Monroe Doctrine 1823. लियाकत नेहरू पैक्ट was signed in 1950. Osama bin Laden was killed in 2011. पाकिस्तान won last hockey world cup in 1994. Highest mountain peak in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Pakistan is connected with Afghanistan by Khyber Pass. Which corridor separates Pakistan and Tajikistan? Wakhan. Which city of Turkey is both in Asia and Europe? Istanbul. Malala Yousafzai was named for Nobel Prize in 2014. UN Charter was signed in June 1945. Who among the following emphasized on justice? Aristotle. Which is known as the Treaty of Treaties? Vienna Convention on Law of Treaties. Which book of Iqbal published in 1923? Payam-e Mashriq. Beirut is the capital of which country? Lebanon. Which is the smallest Muslim country? Maldives. Monsoon cyclones are developed in South East Asia. Pakistan resolution presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Which neighbor country of Pakistan is landlocked? Afghanistan. The Holy Prophet peace be upon him performed last Hajj in 10 Hijri. The heads of Zakat according to Quran? 8. The presidency of UN United Nations Security Council rotates every month in English alphabetical order. total oceans in the world? 5 ocean: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctica Ocean. Most abundant metal in earth crust is aluminium. Plasma contains water 90%. General Pervez Musharraf replaced General Jahangir Karamat. The Whale of Peshawar is drained by river Kabul. Father of history Herodotus. Books on war: Go on your business, Go about your business. The lamp went dash at once out. Air is a mixture. How many pieces of 13.2 cm can be out in length of 30 cm? 25. Tawaf-e-ziyarat is farz. Central Business District being developed in Lahore in Walton Airport. I am very obliged to him. Correct. I am much obliged to him. A set of possible values is called domain. A man got insurance of 5 lakh. Premium is 4.4% Insurance fees is 9.25% yearly payment. 23,750. 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 10. 8 टर्म. 9 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 82. बाल जिब्राइल इज रिटन बाय इलामा इकबाल. The files deleted from the computer are stored in recycle bin. What was the primary reason for the construction of the Berlin Wall? To prevent East Germans from fleeing to West Germany. When Great Wall of China was made? 221 BC. Muslim members participated in Shimla Conference. 35. Which philosopher is primarily focused on the concept of justice? John Rawls. The headquarters of UNODC situated in Vienna. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.